Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I will be sharing with you how I put one or two together to make my effective hair grow grease. So the first ingredients is, I have shea butter and cocoa butter. So the next thing I'm adding palm butter. I add Vaseline. I'm also going to add coconut oil because it's solid. I'm going to add it so that you melt together with the rest solid ingredients. So here I'm going to be adding beeswax. I'll also add emulsifying wax. If you don't have emulsifying wax, you can just do with beeswax alone. So the next thing is lanolin, guys. It's amazing. If you want to make your hair grease and you have it at home, make sure you add it. Or if you don't have it, just it's fine as well. So now I have all the solid ingredients together. I'm going to put it in this pot so I can melt all the solid ingredients. Then we will move on to add the rest of the ingredients that we have. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. If you just subscribe to my channel, I really do thank you guys a lot for subscribing. Thank you so much. Please, if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends and family. So this agri is so amazing. You can use this every day on your hair. You can even use it 2 times a day to massage your scalp, like morning and evening. It's going to be so amazing. So after melting the solid ingredients, now I have my corn oil. So the next oil I will be adding is my sesame oil. So guys, any oil that you don't have, feel free to use the one that you have. Okay, so the next is jojoba oil. I'm just adding one spoon of each of my oil. So I will also add the avocado oil, which is so great, guys. All these oil that I'm using, they are so amazing. This is sunflower oil. I add oh this is hemp seed oil, flaxseed oil. I add vitamin E oil. So this one is pumpkin seed oil. Guys, all these oil are so amazing. Don't worry, I'm going to leave every ingredients that I use on this video at the description box below. So here I have my waist germ oil. I'm going to leave everything just in case I did not measure all the oil that I use. Now you will find all of them at the description box below. So here is my rice oil, which is so good, guys. This oil is so moisturizing when you use it to moisturize your hair. Here is my DIY hair grow oil, which have fenugreek seed, black seed, and all the rest ingredients. So here I have my vinyl oil. So guys, this is castor oil. The other one is grape seed oil. So then I have all my oil and everything in one place. I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, this hair grease, I've been using it since I make this video, guys, like something like a month ago. So I've been using this hair grease on my hair and on my daughter hair. This is so amazing, guys. I cannot even tell you enough benefit that this hair grease can give to your hair. Just try it out yourself and you are going to like it. I know I use a lot of ingredients on this product, so anyone that you don't have, feel free to use the one that you have. So the next thing, I'm going to add my bergamot essential oil. You can use any essential oil that you have in case you don't have this one. So now after adding that, I'm just going to mix everything together again so that the essential oil can mix well with the hair with the rest of the ingredients. Then I will just transfer it to a bowl where I will just allow it to get solid on it. Oh, I did not put this in the fridge. I just keep it aside and give it time to get solid on its own. So this hair grease, guys, is have everything that your hair needs to grow from strength to strength, from healthy to healthier, from long to longer, from strong to stronger. Like no dandruff on your hair, no breakage, no split hair, no brittle hair. Your hair is going to be so strong, shiny, and moisturized all the time. So now we have our amazing hair grease, guys. You can use this 2 times a day or once a day, anyhow you want to use it. Just use it to massage your scalp and your hair. Everything is just going to be so fine. So as you can see how moisturizing and shiny it looks on my hand, this is how moisturizing and shiny is going to look on your hair when you use it to moisturize your hair. So now I have my hair grease. I know I've posted this video in case you have not watched it. That's why I added to it, because I also use this product I'm about to show you with the hair grease. So I have the flaxseed and aloe vera. I added glycerin and sesame powder. So I'm just going to mix this together, guys. If you want to use sesame powder, sesame melt quickly on water-based product than oil. So that's why I added to the water-based product. So now I have that aside. Here is my coconut oil. You can add anything that you want to use, guys. Here I have coconut, and then I have palm oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter. Now I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of castor oil and a spoon of vitamin E oil. Then I added argan oil to this as well. So now I'm going to add emulsifier wax, which is going to make everything, the oil and the water, to combine and then stay in marriage. So now I melted everything and now I'm going to add the water-based hair the gel inside the oil. Guys, this is not easy. So now I'm just going to pour everything together. Then I will just mix it a little bit with my spatula. Then I will move on to mix it with my hand blender. If you have watched this video before, you can just stop here, or you just want to support your girl, just continue watching. If you have not watched it before, just watch it to the end so that you can make this pomade and also make the leave-in conditioner, so you can use it together with the product together. Sorry guys, that's my baby.